My name is Goldman. I'm the director and founder of Goldman and Associates. Our firm has a primary focus on family law issues here in Michigan, and today we continue our video series designed to educate and inform the public, so please subscribe to our channel. How might one put their life together after the divorce is a really good question, because, during the divorce, to some degree, a person might have a support system in the way of friends, family, even to some degree the judge and the lawyers involved are people that are routinely involved in your life. Once they're gone, though, once that case is over and done with, the judgment of divorce is entered, the exchanges of property and assets, liabilities have been accomplished, it's over. Now, how does one survive the aftermath of the divorce is really a good question, and I think what you might consider is that to a very considerable degree, a divorce is really the end of your life as you knew it. Whatever was going on before, whatever your support system was, the relationship with your husband, your household, your children, every single thing is gone. That is a different relationship. When I say everything is gone, I don't mean that your kids aren't there. I don't mean that your house isn't standing anymore. I mean the relationship as you knew it is gone, and it has been replaced by new reality. The new reality is the day after and the rest of your life, and you need to adjust to that reality. Your history is irrelevant. Your past doesn't matter. The things that went on and the arguments that you've had, you're no longer paying the price for that. It's interesting, in relationships, there's sort of this virtual, tabulation that goes on. If your husband is mad at you for doing something that you did in the morning, you may pay the price for that the whole day. The next day, if your wife is mad at you, you forgot to do something, you did something you shouldn't, whatever, you're paying the price for that. It's impacting the mood. It's impacting the general climate in the house, just in terms of the relationships. Once this divorce is finalized, there is no reckoning of the past. The past is over. It's done with. This is the new beginning. So in the new beginning, you no longer pay the price for old misdeeds. What you do basically is you go on. You try to obviously continue the relationship with your kids. If you've had some things that have gone on that have been unfortunate, if relationships have been damaged by the divorce, you repair them. And you spend the time trying to improve yourself as an individual, trying to be the best parent as you can be. And if you do that, guess what might happen? You might actually be emotionally available and ready to consider another relationship. Perhaps it'll be a relationship that'll bring, a sustainable happiness to you rather than one that was not sustainable. So these are the kind of things you should do, but you should remember going forward, what's the first step? First step is to remember that the past is over. You're no longer paying those prices, and now you're going on with the rest of your life. If you have any questions about that, reach out. We'll be glad to help you out.